I wanted to do something where I could reach millions of people and actually make a difference. I think Android is a great platform for me to do that. Hi, I'm Nikitha. I've done my Nanodegree program with Udacity. I've done both virtual reality and Android development course. And Android development echoed with me, so I stuck with Android development. So I always used to be fixing things. So it inspired me to get into engineering, but I never thought I would get into computers. I'm from India. I've done my schooling there. I've done my undergrad in electronics and communications there. And then I moved to US for my master's in computer engineering in University of South Florida. I was initially in hardware, but through the process, I've realized that software was more fun and I could actually do something with software. Only after I worked for like 2 years, I started seeing the big picture. The main goal was always to make a difference. I didn't want to do a job for the sake of working. If I'm doing the job, if I'm working on some product, I should be able to see it bettering people's lives. So before I pursued my Nanodegree program, I worked for 5 years as a web developer, and there's a school in London which is like, I think, the best for pastry baking. So I went to that school. Luckily, Udacity was an online course. I was parallelly doing it. Once I come home, I used to sit and learn Android. So I could do my baking course, do this Udacity Android development course. I even worked in a Michelin star restaurant in London. Baking is fun, but doing it as a profession is a completely different ballgame. That's when I realized that I could do better. This Nanodegree program was very good. Udacity Android development course is in collaboration with Google. So all the Google developers and the team there are the creators of Android. We're explaining Android. I have never done Android development before. I've only been in web development, and obviously I'm not new to programming. I know Java, I know C++, C. But Android is a new technology and you have to know how things work there to develop it. It taught me from basics, like what is an activity, what is a framework, what's a fragment. It took me from my basic level to a position where I could interview and develop full-fledged apps. So right now I take care all the way from development to deployment. I develop apps that betters patients' day-to-day activities. So it basically increases their standard of living. And I develop apps that can give caregivers better access to the information, and they can do their job much more efficiently. So like I said, I wanted to make a difference, and now I'm actually doing something that's directly impacting it. I would give the credit to the Nanodegree program because it's definitely helped me get started.